Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find your inventory on Roblox. Okay, first of all guys, open up your Roblox and then you're going to go to the more option here. Okay, select more option and then you can simply click on inventory. Alright, and here you will be able to find all the items you have on Roblox. Okay, you can find it according to its category. Okay, for example, I'm going to find the items I have in this accessories category, and I'm going to choose hat. Okay, and these are the accessories I have on Roblox, guys. Okay, and I'm going to go to the badges as well. Okay, and these are the badges I owned. Alright, okay guys, and that's all the way to find your inventory on Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.